In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple emails in Zoho Mail. If you find yourself managing different email accounts and want to streamline them into one platform, you're in the right place. Zoho Mail makes this process straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start by navigating to your Zoho Mail homepage. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon there. This icon is your gateway to settings and configurations within Zoho. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. After you've clicked the gear icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to look for an option called Mail Accounts. This is where you'll manage all your existing email accounts and set up new ones. Go ahead and click on Mail Accounts. Now that you're in the Mail Accounts section, you should see an Add button. This is your next stop. Clicking this button will allow you to add a new email account to your Zoho Mail. Once you've clicked it, you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want to add. Zoho Mail supports both POP3 and IMAP account types. If you're unsure which to choose, here's a quick tip. IMAP is generally more versatile for accessing your emails from multiple devices, as it syncs everything in real time. However, if you're adding an account from a specific provider, they might have a recommended option for you. Once you've selected POP3 or IMAP, you'll need to choose your mail account provider from the list. This step is crucial because it helps Zoho Mail configure the necessary settings automatically for you. If your provider is not listed, don't worry. You can always manually enter the server settings, which you can usually find on your email provider's support page. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new email account to your Zoho Mail. Remember, you can repeat this process for each additional email account you want to manage within Zoho. It's a fantastic way to keep all your communications organized in one place, which can save you time and help you stay on top of your emails more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in integrating multiple email accounts into Zoho Mail. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy emailing!